Hello students, and welcome back to yet another class of English grammar. Today we will be doing the direct and the indirect speech, which is chapter 14 in your textbooks. I would like you to open the book once and look at the picture which is given on page 98. There is a bubble over here, and Rajesh and Meenu are in the picture. Rajesh is telling Meenu something, and Meenu is telling us what Rajesh has told her. So if you look at the picture, we will see that one is telling us something. Now, what is Rajesh telling to Meenu? Rajesh says, I arrived yesterday. Meena is reporting or telling us what Rajesh has told her. And Meena says, Rajesh told me that he had arrived the previous day. Now, you will see that when we have the direct speech, what is the direct speech? What is the indirect speech? The direct speech is used when we quote or when we write or when we state the exact words of the speaker. We don't make any changes over here. What the speaker is saying, we write or we repeat those words, then we say that we are using the direct speech. Now, when we use the indirect speech, that means we are reporting or we are telling us what someone told them. Now, Meena says, Rajesh told me that he had arrived the previous day. You will find that in the reported speech or in the indirect speech, we have some changes. Now, let's look at these sentences again. Mohan said, there's a comma. We are opening with a quotation. I am going to the market tomorrow to buy some clothes. Now, in the direct speech, you will see that the exact words of the speaker are put within quotation marks. So we have the open quotation and we have the closed quotation. These are the exact words of Mohan. Now, when we report what Mohan has said, you will find that we have removed the quotation marks. Therefore, in the indirect speech, we first remove the quotation marks. Said is called the reported verb. I repeat, said is called the reported verb. Am going is the verb in the reported speech. When the reported verb is in the past tense, like I said, said. Said is in the past tense. When the reported verb is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech undergoes a change. I repeat, when the reported verb said is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech undergoes a change. So, am going has changed to was going. That's one rule which we will remember. The next rule is that the comma after the reported verb is removed. We don't have a comma here because we are using a conjunction to join the sentence. Therefore, the second part is that I will remove the comma. Now, the next point is that I introduce the clause. Okay? Mohan said. What did Mohan say? So, Mohan has said something. I will use the word that to introduce the next part of the sentence. So, that over here is being used as a conjunction. Therefore, I have removed the comma. Now, the next is that the pronouns will change. Now, in this case, Mohan said, Mohan is the speaker and the speaker is I. So, I over here refers to the speaker. The speaker is third person singular. Therefore, I will change to he, which is the third person singular pronoun. Therefore, the pronouns change. So, the next change is that adverbs of time and place. In this case, tomorrow is an adverb of time. Adverbs of time and place will also undergo a change. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Therefore, Mohan said that he was going to the market the next day to buy some clothes. Now, the tense of the reported verb does not change. Please remember, the tense of the reported verb does not change, but I can use a suitable word. If I don't want to use said, I can say Mohan told me. I can say Mohan told me that he was going to the market the next day to buy some clothes. But I have to make sure that whatever substitute word I use, it must be in the past tense. So what are the changes from direct to indirect? 1. The quotation marks will be removed. 2. The comma after the reported verb changes. 3. The tense does not change. I can use a suitable verb. If I don't want to use said, I can use told. Then we will introduce the clause by the word that. The pronoun undergoes a change. The tense undergoes a change. The adverbs of time also undergo a change. So here you will see the direct words of the speaker within quotation marks. Here I am making some grammatical changes in changing from direct to the indirect speech, but the meaning is the same. I have not changed the meaning. I've only reported what Mohan has said. I hope you have understood this. I will give you a couple of sentences to work out, and then we will go on to some other changes. Thank you.